Well, this is the Evo Wagon R, made by Exotic Vehicles Factory, FiveM ready cars. Let's drive it. See how it compares. If you like the car, drop a like. Think about subscribing, please. I want to try and grow the channel. I want to get some sales on the website. The cars are ready for sale on the website. If you look in the description. You can become a VIP, one-time monthly fee, and get all the cars just for one fee. Or you can pay $4.95 per car. We've all got custom sounds, handling, models. The handling's been perfected over many hours. This is the Evo Wagon R. It's available for FiveM servers. Check the description out for where to buy it. As I say again, if you do like the video, you do like the car, drop us a like. Maybe think about subscribing. Drop us a comment. Thank you very much. Well, she's fun to drive. She's very fun to drive. It's got power, bags of power. Look at that. It's one of them cars that you could really get used to. 4-door too, check the boys out in it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.